Hey y'all, welcome to Olinsi Traveling. On this channel, I'll be bringing you the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and everything in between. I'll take you along to explore small towns, across the US and Canada, exactly as they are. If you like discovering real places on the road, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next stop. Let's begin our walk. Today we are at the Pacific Junction rest area on I-29 northbound in Iowa. Let's take a walk and see how this place really stacks up for truckers and travelers. It's always good to know what you're pulling into before you decide to park for the night. What can I say about the truck parking lot? Spaces are lined up decent, but it's not the biggest lot you'll find on I-29. If you roll in too late at night, you might be circling. 4-day parking though, it's manageable. Off to the side you've got car and RV parking. It's pretty standard, nothing too fancy. RVs get their own little spots, but I've seen bigger setups. It's organized, but it fills quick in busy hours. One good thing, you've got some green space here if you just want to stretch your legs or walk the dog, but keep in mind, with I-29 right there, you're never far from road noise. If you're a light sleeper, bring those earplugs. Let's circle around the outside of the building. Pretty standard rest area design, low, flat, and functional. You'll see some benches and picnic tables scattered around too, which is nice in summer if you just want to sit outside with a snack. Over here along the grass line, you'll see folks letting their dogs stretch out. They actually keep the area fairly clean, not trash lying around, which is good to see. If you like discovering real places on the road, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next stop. Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're enjoying this stroll, don't forget to hit like so I know you want more tours like this. Something I like, they've got info boards and signs about Iowa, maps, local attractions, and even a bit of history sprinkled in. It's a nice touch, especially if you're hauling through and don't get to explore much. Gives you something to read and learn while stretching. You'll notice the lighting poles around the lot. There's a fair amount of coverage, so it doesn't get pitch dark out here. That's a plus for safety, but it also means a bit of light in the cab if you're trying to sleep. Walking down a few more rows here, I noticed how tight the spacing gets once a couple of reefers pull in. Not a whole lot of pull-throughs either, so you've got to plan your park. Now over in the car and RV section, you'll see the lines are painted pretty fresh, so they're keeping it maintained. Still, I wouldn't bring anything oversized in here. It gets pretty snug once everyone's packed in. If you're pulling in here late at night, best bet is to swing wide and grab a spot along the back row first. Those middle rows fill up quick with reefers and you'll be stuck fighting tight angles. Good stop if you just need a 30-minute break. You've got the facilities, vending, and space to stretch. But if you're planning a 10-hour reset, you might want to push onto a full truck stop for showers and food. If got your dog with you, the grassy side works fine, but bring your own bags just in case. Sometimes the dispensers run out. Heading inside, you'll find clean bathrooms, which is always the big selling point of a rest stop. No showers, though, this isn't a travel plaza. Just your basics, restrooms, sinks, vending machines, and a spot to cool off. Here's the vending corner. You've got your usual snacks and drinks. Nothing gourmet, nothing cheap, just typical rest area fare. If you're really hungry, you'll probably want to keep rolling to a truck stop for a proper meal. So, overall, Pacific Junction is what you'd expect from an Iowa rest area: decent parking, clean bathrooms, a place to stretch, but nothing fancy. Good for a break, maybe a nap, but if you're looking for showers or food, better keep rolling. Still, it does its job, and sometimes that's all you need. Alright, that's the tour. Thanks for walking around with me. Hope this helps you plan your next run on I-29. Don't forget to subscribe to Olinsi Traveling for more honest truck stop and rest area reviews across the US and Canada. Safe travels, and I'll catch you down the road.